Good morning, YouTube. How y'all doing, Detail World? We out here in Bellmead, Tennessee. It's such a beautiful day, clear skies. It's supposed to get up to like 70-something degrees right now. It's like 50-something. But other than that, man, we're gonna go ahead and knock out this Chevy Tahoe. This is a 2021 Chevy Tahoe. It's a little dirty inside. I haven't did this car. She just got it not too long ago, and it's already look like she had this car for a while. Like I said, one thing about these cars, you need to invest in some mats. Invest in the mats to protect your carpets. It's kind of hellacious in here, man. You know, so we're gonna go ahead. She got dog hair, everything, cup. It's just a little mess in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this mess in order and do what we gotta do to make this car look presentable and suitable. You know, it's all dirty back there, everything. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up so I can get in here and try to help him. I don't understand how she just got this car. She got this dirty, but you know, like I say, when you used to having nice things, this stuff like this becomes nothing. So they treat it like it's nothing. But we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. We got 3 more appointments today. After those 3 more appointments, all right, YouTube, we just finished this Chevy Tahoe. Like I said, it was a basic clean, even though it's a little bit dirtier in the inside. I'm not sure what these people be doing. They be going a little bit crazy with these cars, but there was dog hair all in the back here, just everywhere. Got everything completely up. The inside is completely clean. She should be very enthused with the work that we did. She should be very happy. Like I said, we just knocked out the whole thing. We didn't do the back, it's just full of stuff. But everything else done, doors, carpet. If y'all remember what it looked like when I first came here with the camera, it was just stuff everywhere. But yeah, the car's completely done. Me and Rennie got it done. We're about to head to the next stop, which is not too far from here. Like I said, we just did the Chevy Tahoe. I would like y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Them likes, shares, comments, do what you gotta do, man. I'll catch up with y'all in the next mission. YouTube, what's going on? We done made it out here to this second stop. We about to do this Subaru Outback right now. About to do a detail on the interior. It's a little dirty. If you notice, it got just debris everywhere. Just got the Starbucks sticks, you know what I mean? Things like that. But definitely gonna pull out the Bissell extractor today and extract this back seat. See how that come out. You know, look at all those snacks and stuff back there. Look like it's a little mold, but and you know, we're about to go ahead and get it cracking. As usual, do what we do best. You know what I mean? And y'all do what y'all do best. And hit the subscribe button. Rennie, you got a word of the day for us today, man?
Hey, how y'all doing today? The word of the day is joy.
Joy?
Joy.
All right, and sunshine. You know what I mean? So just make sure you keep yourself in a joyous mood. It's gonna be a beautiful weekend. Take advantage of every opportunity you got, and don't look down on yourself. Always stay positive. We catch y'all in a minute. All right, YouTube, we just finished this Subaru Outback. Like I said, it was a little bit dirty inside. We had to do a detail on it. Seats, carpet, things like that, but the car came out immaculate. If you remember what it looked like, it literally had stuff everywhere. Dirt, mud, spillage. Doors was terrible. Everything. When you look at this back seat, even though it came up as best as I can, sometimes red stuff and brown stuff are some of the hardest things to get out of the carpet, upholstery. And then it's being a tan color, definitely hard. But like I said, we just finished here right here, man. We're about to head to this last stop on this beautiful Friday. know what I mean? It's gorgeous out here. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Hit them comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about this Subaru. How did it come out? What you think about them seats? If you remember what they look like prior to me cleaning them. Other than that, man, we finna head to the next stop. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace out. All right, y'all. Good afternoon. We out here in we in Nashville. I don't know. They call it the Belmont area, Forest Hill area, something like that. You know, Nashville weird. They got all these certain neighborhoods around here: Burton Hills, Green Hills, Belmead, Forest Park, Forest Hills. But they all in Nashville. So that's the odd part. So it'd be like Green Hills, Nashville, Tennessee. So. But yeah, right now, like I say, we over here finna do this Chevy Tahoe. Brittany already started on the interior. I was just taking out all my equipment. It's not really that bad. It's dirty enough. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it in. I'm not 100% sure if he needs me to shampoo the carpets. He's on the phone right now, so I haven't been able to ask him. But
see me.
As soon as I get this first opportunity, I'm definitely gonna ask him. But like I said, we about to knock out this Chevy Tahoe, this LTZ edition. You know what I mean? And we're gonna get back to you. All right, YouTube detail world. We just finished this Chevy Tahoe over here in Green Hill. Like I said, it was just your basic exterior wash. The interior just needed a little bit more work on it. Rennie's still in the inside. I'm gonna go over there and help him. But right now, he already knocked out this side. And like I said, if you recall what it looked like, it was very dirty. But he did his thing. He got it looking good. The seats looking good. The doors nice and clean. Remember how much dirt was really everywhere. Still a little dirty over there, but other than that, car coming out swell. We almost done here. After we done here, head home, call it a day, get ready for Saturday. Sunday I won't be working. I'm gonna be doing some stuff with the kids. Monday I got work, but it looked like I won't be working because it looked like it gonna rain. But other than that, man, all is all, man. Things been good. It's been a glorious week. Not this Sunday, but next Sunday is daylight saving time. So, hey, spring is among us, man. But let's do what we gotta do, man. Stay positive. Have a great weekend. Don't let nobody knock your hustle and let nobody knock your inspiration. Stay motivated. Like always, hit that subscribe button. Like, shares, comments, all that. And I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Peace.